1982, 83 Volkswagen. Right there. Then I got 82, 84 Buick Somerset. Which she'll be going up. Need to put that one right there for a second. Let's see what else we got up over here. Oh, passed right by. 72 Beetle Volkswagen. I'ma say 66, 67 Chevy van 108. I haven't seen one of these y'all in a minute. One of the cars fell off the drain rack earlier. Big old mess too. Ah, the Beetle was all Beetles. Man, I would love to have one of these things. Fix it all the way up. Throw a candy orange paint job on it with some 20s and a banging system. Man, I'm picking up all the honeys. Picking up all of them, man. Same way with that green one up there. With the 67 Chevy. Same way, man. With a big old box back there in the back where she at. With a bed back there. Oh, man. Y'all know what time it is. For everybody. So I guess I'm looking at I'm gonna put it in between a 82, 84 Buick Somerset is what we're looking at. I'm just gonna do a small little walk around on it, nothing spectacular. There is the VIN, but the VIN is so heavily rusted there's no need for me even try to do anything to that. Really not, man. Boy, it be some sick people out here, man. Look at that. It is some sick people, man. It's a whole box full of them. They are sick. It really is, man. Small little walk around on her real quick, like. It's been a minute since I seen one of these babies here. It is what it is. Got another one. 1983 Volvo. I'm not for sure what type of Volvo. It doesn't have the name in the back or anything. So I'm just gonna go by with what I see. It is what it is. Something that's just small, simple, and short. There's no need for me trying to get on the inside of it, because it ain't nothing but just all trash, man. That's all it is. That's all you see. All trash, but pretty sure we can get that instrument clutch. We sure can. Go Volkswagen right there. Man, this baby right here is junky, tonky. It is what it is, man. Two of them. '72 Beetle Volkswagen. Beetle of all beetles, man. It's been a long time, y'all, since I seen one of these puppies right here. Very long time. But it is what it is, man. This baby, she finna go up to that upper room, man, where I finna send her to, where she belongs. Like I said, I'm gonna do a real fast glance on this baby, and we're gonna go on and move on to the next victim. It's not that bad of a shape. But I already know the floor is rotted out. I already know that. Try picking it up early. Loud boom boom. It is what it is. 72 Volkswagen. What's up? 1967 Chevy 108 van. Y'all, I haven't seen one of these puppies right here in ages, boy. It's been a very long time, man. I don't know if I could do the pictures on this one here. I had to do a video. I just couldn't resist on this one right here. I could not resist that. Man, look at all this stuff here, y'all. Man, 67, guys. Golly. Man. Boy, man. The type of classics you do not see at all. She got some little trash in the back of her, but that's alright. That's alright. At least the door is still open. That's a good thing there. Man. So that upper room is where she's going, guys. There ain't no saving this one right here, y'all. There's no such thing as saving her. Man. It is what it is, baby. It is what it is. 1967. Man, to be honest with y'all, man, if I'm not mistaken, I think this is the Scooby-Doo van. If I'm not mistaken, but I could be wrong. The doors don't wanna. Oh well. The door don't close. It don't close. Oh well. Guess then we go ahead and put the Somerset right on up off in there with it. The old Barrett. Put the old Barrett up off in there. This time, I could be a little gentle. A little gentle, I would say. Alright, I gotta scoot that over. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Man, I sure hate it. I gotta crush that one, man. The old 67. Sure hate it, but it is what it is, baby. It is what it is. Alrighty. Y'all give me 1 sec. I gotta look at something right. Oh man. I think this is the 82, 83 Volkswagen here. Last of them all. The Beatles of Beatles. 72 right here. 72 Beetle Volkswagen, baby. Don't crush them. Don't see too many of these. Say the last, but the best for the last. Y'all stay up and I stay up. Peace.